a raging inferno, thousands of acres consumed, and lives changed forever. The recent Los Angeles wildfires have gripped the world's attention. But what happened? Why are these fires becoming so catastrophic? And there is more to the story than meets the eye. Today on Paradox Explored, we will uncover the causes, effects, and hidden truths behind the Palisades and Eaton fires. Wildfires are not new to California, but the Palisade fires and Eaton fires are different. Together, these fires have scorched over 37,000 acres of land, destroyed more than 12,000 structures, and tragically claimed at least 25 lives. Let's rewind to where it all began. The Palisade Fire ignited in the Pacific Palisades neighborhood, an area known for its breathtaking beauty and sprawling estates. The exact cause? What was the exact cause? Investigators believe it's linked to human activity, possibly arson, with arrests already made. Meanwhile, the Eaton fire erupted in the rugged terrain of Atlanta, where dry conditions and high winds created the perfect storm for disaster. What's fueling these destructive blazes? It's lethal cocktail of climate change, urban expansion, and negligence. Droughts have turned vegetation into tinder boxes, add fires Santa Ana winds, and you have a recipe for devastation. The human cost is staggering. Nearly 88,000 residents have been forced to evacuate, with many losing their homes and livelihood. The air quality across the region has plummeted to hazardous levels, posing serious health risks. We barely made it out. The flames were right at our doorstep. Everything we owned is gone. We will rebuild. But it's hard to think about starting over. Over 85,000 firefighters are on the front lines, risking their lives to save others. Their courage is inspiring, but the battle is far from over. The rugged terrain of Los Angeles County is the major hurdle. Flames can jump across canyons and roads in seconds. Strong winds act like bellows, turning small sparks into towering infernos. But here is where it gets even more intriguing. Did you know that some fires might not be entirely natural? Investigators suspect arson in several instances, with reports of individuals attempting to start new fires. What's the motivation behind such act? Is it greed, malice, or something darker? Authorities have arrested several suspects linked to the international fire setting amidst the ongoing crisis. The devastation is not just physical, it's economic, environmental, and psychological. The fires have caused billions damage, displaced wildfire, and left an indelible mark on the community. Amidst the chaos, there is hope. Communities are coming together, offering support and resilience in the face of adversity. Volunteers, charities, and neighbors are proving that even in the darkest hours, humanity still shines brightest. These fires are a wake-up call. Climate change, urban planning, and fire prevention must become priorities if we are to avoid the future tragedies. But in every ember lies a spark of hope. Together, we can rebuild stronger and faster. This is Paradox Explored. Stay curious, stay informed.